Hey girl with the big foot. Hey, listen what me said. No. Your foot similar to national bread. Hey, big foot. Hey, go up on the bed. Oh. Your foot take up 2/2 of the spread. Hey, big feet. Yeah. Me know say you see it. Your big toe need no 2 row of seat. Big foot. Yeah. Your license for these. Heavy man a run when you step in the street. Hey, big foot.
Hey Peter, my friend Fat Skull is studying with us today. Fat Skull? What kind of name is Fat Skull? Okay, can I have a seat, Fat Skull? Mark, could you please tell me where the pyramids are found? England! England! Tell him no! We are talking about Egypt for you. Ever heard him say? The Great Pyramids of Egypt. That even sound right. The Great Pyramids of England. That sound right, brother. Egypt known for sun. And desert. Desert. Man, fool about desert. Desert there downtown. Look how much people who are desert in Jamaica. Desert known for Jamaica. Everybody knows desert clocks. You have to learn to shut them out. Joshua. Julissa kiss me on the teeth. Hello. No, see that? You see it, Joshua? No, me see it. Ooh, son. Watch out. You see it right there. My mother kiss me every morning before she got me out of school. Baby. Which my mother kiss me every morning. Oh man, my grandmother kissed me with her rotten teeth and it touched my ears. Rotten teeth. I really just kissed my rotten teeth. I could say my father did kiss me early in the morning with his stinking mouth and me nearly dead. Today we will be looking at science. With that being said, can anyone please tell me what is an ant? An ant is an insect. Wrong. An ant is an animal. Please write that down. Sir, what kind of foolish is that chat say? Hello, young man. I am a certified scientist, so I know what I am talking about. I have A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. All of them degrees that it takes to be a scientist. So me know what me attack. An ant is an animal. Shut up. Sir, an ant is an insect. This big dumb living photosynthesis frog. Sir, photosynthesis now not to do with frog. Shut him up. Your esophagus is very dumb. Go out of class. Esophagus. Yeah. Can somebody please turn on the AC? It's kind of hot in here. So what is it? It's kind of hot in here. Why are you using it? I'm going to turn it on, please. I see I haven't taught you English. Sir, no, you taught me English, but you're speaking a little bit too English. Mama, just turn on the AC, no, sir, allow me now. If you turn on the AC, the room will start get cold, you know. You see me? But that be meant for no? Yeah, I know, say you know. But I just feel to tell you. You see me? Yeah, tell me know already. One no. Your brain not go bust. Cause me know say you know now. And you didn't know before. You see me?
Don't play with it, don't be dishonest.
Oh, Joshua, a good thing someone has to bring big dirty ketchup like you come at school. So, there's only one size of ketchup they both idiot. Why? Somebody give me a go to love. This look at the same size of ketchup, idiot. Why? This look at the same size ketchup. You never heard of. No, we can tell the ketchup, please. Oh, yes. Oh, sauce. Mama, the ketchup, Mama. Moist me the baby, my eye of early, and my mouth is hard. Even let me want to drink quality water. You want to drink quality water, Joshua? Oh, that's gonna be wavy. Good morning, sir. Shut him on. No, sir! Put it on! No! I'm serious, put it on! School just started. Bright and early in the morning, and your arm was pink. No, sir! The hand that needs to baptize in a bleach. I want the hand to do. Sand with JLP, and that's why it green, sir. No, sir! The people start bringing some of what I'll do when it's election time. How you call it, little boy? I could have you call it. I must get a pillar you call it, cause it's evergreen. No, sir. Your arm is baptized in a bleach and sanctified with some Michael! Michael! Little boy! You never hear me, I call you. Mommy, oh, you go hear me if you shout. You need to take time talk. What you say? I have to take time talk like this. Michael! Michael! You hear me though? That good though. Michael! I have a question. Over all, Zaina. That hear the question? Over all.
Your house, mommy.
So, you tell me not to talk loud in my house.
I'm tired.
This is my house. I'm the Association. So, you tell me that. Oh, Joshua, I got some auntie from foreign bring down one heap of money for me. And you broke like glass. So, one dollar can only buy one patty and one car. For $100 can buy the whole of Jamaica. What? You feel my hero. Joshua, know how much money this month? How much money I have, Joshua? $20.
I know which year this win, Joshua.
2017.
So you know who have enough money for buy the entire year, Joshua, and kick you out 17 times.
You're sick! Class, today we are going to do religious education. So, with that being said, can anyone tell me what is fasting? Fasting is putting away food to pray to God for forgiveness and blessing. Stop your mouth! That is foolishness! If you are not the idiot, I am! Write this down! Fasting is the process of being Usain Bolt. Big jackass! Write that down! Sorry not to say a big flipping idiot! Shut up your mouth! Your brain is very atmospheric and dehydrated. So what you talking about? The atmosphere have nothing to do with my brain. How must you know if you do not study metamorphic rocks? Come out of my class! You are insulting my imagery! No, Father God, no! Joshua! I'm going to make a corned beef for lunch. Wavy! Eat that boy! Corned beef upon recall. Recall? You feel my...
Joshua, you see no credit on the corned beef, Joshua?
No.
So all you talk about recall, Joshua. You go buy credit for the corned beef, Joshua.
But I have no money. But them say the corned beef have rotten meat and we can't eat it.
Look here, so Joshua. What you say?
Well, heap a dirty rotten thing.
So you know who can eat rotten beef then, Joshua?
That's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please I ask you to like and subscribe and share. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video and tell me what we would like to see me do next. Until next time, it is your boy Kanye Clark. Peace.